dusty around here. Had a pretty good summer actually. This is the big test. I haven't run anything yet. Everything's back together. Put a brand new belt on, and the gearbox fixed up. Front diff is fixed up. Hopefully everything is right. I did all the work myself to save myself some money because I can't afford this anymore. And thanks to again to Jeremy Roberts for putting together the fundraiser. Didn't quite reach the goal we were looking for. Total parts on this thing came to just about $1,200, and we raised $864. Thank you very much to the 13 people that donated. I really appreciate it. We're a little short on the funds, but we're going to try and keep this going as long as I don't break again. Trying to get ready for 2 weekends from now is the pig roast run, so this is going to be the big test to make sure that everything is good. And you'll notice I changed the snorkels around a bit. I still have some work to do to stiffen them up, but I got really tired of the side snorkels coming out and popping out all the time, and finally one broke. So let's see how we're doing here. Well, it seems so far so good. I have a torque locker now in the front. Transmission seems alright. Everything seems to be fine. Thanks to Halfway Motor Power Sports, our Can-Am dealer, for helping me out and getting me going quickly. Set in with the new gear and let everything mesh properly. Have to stiffen the snorkels up. I got to figure out a bracket behind here somehow, clamp it back to the rad mount. But it's alive again. dusty around here. Been a pretty good summer, actually. Warm and not a lot of rain, but it's coming to an end pretty soon. These things. So anyways, this is just a little thank you to the 13 people that donated. Help the channel along, keep it going. I get a few comments, you have to pay to play. Yeah, you do. But this channel is for the viewers. It's not always plain for me. Lots of work put into videos and stuff, as all the YouTubers know. I have lots of other things in my life that are going on. If you're still sticking around and viewing the vids, thank you. There'll be a few more to come now anyways. Like I said, I have the pig roast ride coming up in not this weekend but next weekend. And that's a pretty brutal ride. That's one for the books every year. Gonna be lots of fun if the machine holds together. Then after that, we got the Halfway Motor Power Sports 5 Aces run. That's been moved to a different venue, so should be interesting. A lot of the riding is down close to where I blew everything up, so that should be a fun ride too. Just running everything through the bases and make sure everything's good. I'll let it sit tonight, check for leaks tomorrow, and do some more work on the snorkels. I hope you enjoyed the update, and I hope you're still sticking around. Lots more fun to come. Thanks, everyone.